What's up, guys? Adam Reese here today. Today we're going to be unboxing the Blackweb gaming keyboard. Now this also lights up. Sorry, I'm just coughing. Yeah, so I got this on Walmart. The reason why I didn't get razors because it was $109, so it was too much. So yeah, so I decided, and I couldn't get the mouse because even though it's $30, this actually costs all the way to $70 because since this one's on $40. So yeah, it's only $40. You can actually get this. I'm actually gonna get a mouse like someday. So yeah. So it also comes with a backlight. So yes, so let's go unbox it. So I haven't opened it yet. I took out the tape so the video won't take longer. Alright, so we get that out. And yeah, so I'm not going to plug this in my laptop. Is the reason because I forgot it, and I'm actually going to plug it into like a cable box or a direct TV or something. So yeah. We have a nice package in it. We get the foam. And we get the box, so let's put it right here. And the gaming keyboard. I'm so hyped. Yes, so here it is, the gaming keyboard, what you've been waiting for. So yes, here it is. So I think this will be lighting up too, this part. So it says Blackweb, and this is all the things, what you do, which button you hit, and it'll light up. So yeah, and there's a little bump here. Like, see that? I think it's supposed to be there or not, so yeah. So I think this will be lighting up too. So you're gonna, and here's a USB cord, and it's black and red, so it won't be matching my black and blue color on my gaming. So yeah, sorry about that. So here what it sounds like. I might get black or black and red probably, since I don't know if it has blue or not, but yeah. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, let's zoom in all the way out and see if you can see it now. Can you? Alright, so you're gonna hear me typing in it, so yeah, let's hear the type. So that is the typing, guys, so yeah. Sorry, this camera. Now we're going to be lining this up, guys, so yeah, I'm not going to put it on. Yeah, so, yeah, I got the chair to put the keyboard. I'm not going to tie the USB cord, so yeah. Oh, man. Just make sure I don't plug it all over there. Now, it's not lighting up right now, so let's get the camera right now. So let's plug it in. Let me just plug this in. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at this, guys. So I might getting black and red color, so yeah, I might be. So look at this. This is amazing. Yes, so I might get black and red or black and blue. So choose one, and it's going to be Dre's Adapt, so Dre's Clan. After this video, I'm going to do another video, so yeah. Oh, cap locks. So if we hit this button right here, cap locks, then we got, and now also this is lighting up too, so I knew that. Let's hit num look. Where's that? Right here, so it'll be lighting up too. Let's see if scroll lock, see that lights up. I think it's not supposed to, but alright. I don't know what the game button is, but I don't find that one. But yeah, guys, this is it. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys again, and I'm also plugging this to this box right here, so to let you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys again, and peace.